So, your Frankfurter or Wiener sausage tastes bland or burst? Oh wow, you're probably cooking them wrong. From what I've seen, in Frankfurt, we cook Frankfurters differently. No explosions, no bursting, no ketchup, just pure tradition. And no, we are just not throwing it into the microwave like a college student at 2 in the morning. We are doing it traditional way, with a pot of salty water and a bit of patience. For this recipe, all you need are those beautiful Frankfurter, no hot dogs. You also are going to need to grab some cold water and a bit of salt. Adding salt is our German secret. But why to add it? Well, salt prevents the simmering water from drawing out the salt from the sausages. If you skip adding it, your sausage will taste bland and unseasoned. Additionally, adding salt prevents the sausage from bursting as it increases the water's density. Now fill a pot with enough water to cover the Frankfurters. Usually 1 liter is enough. Now we're going to bring the water to a boil and add 1 tablespoon of salt per 1 liter water. Don't be shy, it should be deliciously undrinkable. There is what most people mess up. You don't actually boil them like a pasta. You want the water to simmer. This way they will warm up gently. High heat might also cause your sausage to burst. And here they are. Traditionally, Frankfurter sausage is served with a crusty bread and good mustard. In Germany, we don't mess around with other toppings, so no ketchup and no hot sauce. Salty, smoky and delicious.